In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use the nominal function in Excel. This function returns the nominal interest rate of an effective rate that's compounded in a number of periods in a year. So let's just say you have an interest rate of 5% advertised by a bank. But you know the only reason it's as high as it is because it is compounded 12 times a year. To calculate the nominal rate from this effective rate, do equals nominal, open parentheses. The first argument is the effective rate. So what is the effective rate you're getting every single year? In this example, it's 5%. The next argument is the number of periods in every single year. Which in this example is 12 because it is compounded monthly. So as you can see, the nominal interest rate of a 5% effective rate that's compounded 12 times a year is 4.89%. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.